Imagine a world where creativity, productivity, and problem-solving are supercharged by AI. Well, that future is not decades away. It is happening now. Hi, I am Emily, and welcome back to AIChief. Today, we are diving into how AI is transforming industries and how you can stay ahead of the curve. Let's explore some of the most groundbreaking AI tools that are shaping 2025 and beyond. AI is no longer just a tech buzzword. It is becoming the backbone of industries. But here is the big question. Will AI replace millions of jobs, or will it create new opportunities? The answer lies in understanding and using tools like Midjourney, Jasper, DALL, DeepL, and Notion AI. Let's break it down. First up is Midjourney. This AI tool is a game changer for artists and designers. It takes simple text prompts and turns them into jaw-dropping visuals. Want a surreal landscape? A futuristic cityscape? Midjourney can bring your imagination to life in minutes. Here is the kicker. Instead of seeing AI as a replacement, think of it as a collaborator. Use it to speed up your workflow and add a layer of inspiration to your projects. Tool 2. Jasper, your AI writing assistant, the AI writer that is revolutionizing content creation. Jasper can craft blog posts, add copy, and even emails with remarkable fluency. Marketers and writers, this is your chance to amplify productivity. Focus on fine-tuning Jasper's output to ensure it aligns with your brand voice. Tool 3. DALL E2. Visual creativity redefined. Then there is DALL E2, an AI tool that transforms text into hyper-realistic images. Whether you are a video creator, an advertiser, or just someone with a creative itch, DALL E2 makes it easy to turn ideas into reality. All you need to give is clear prompts, and you will get better results. Tool 4. DeepL. Breaking language barriers. Let's talk about DeepL, the gold standard in AI-powered translation. Unlike traditional tools, DeepL retains context and nuance, making it perfect for businesses, travelers, and educators. Whether you are expanding your business or learning a new language, DeepL bridges the gap, making global communication seamless. Tool 5. Notion AI. Productivity supercharged. Your go-to tool for organization and ideation. From brainstorming to project management, Notion AI transforms how you work. With Notion AI, you can automate mundane tasks and focus on what truly matters. Now, here is the reality check. While AI will replace millions of jobs, it is also set to create countless opportunities. The key is adaptability. Learn these tools, understand their strengths, and use them to your advantage. So, how can you prepare? Take courses on AI tools and technology. Collaborate. Use AI to complement your work, not compete with it. Innovate. Find new ways to utilize AI for creative and strategic solutions. The future is not about AI replacing us. It is about how well we use it. The AI revolution is here. Tools like Midjourney, Jasper, DALL E2, DeepL, and Notion AI are not just reshaping industries. They are redefining how we work, create, and live. The future belongs to those who adapt and thrive. Ready to embrace the future? Subscribe to AIChief to stay ahead in the AI era. Together, let's shape the future.